It's Joshua with J&J Services and Roofer Near Me. We're here in Bay Minette, Alabama at the Dodge dealership, Chuck Stevens Dodge dealership in Bay Minette. We are putting on this roof. Look how long this roof is. It's over a football field long. We are proud to be doing commercial, residential, standing seam, clay, metal, shingle, you name it, we take care of it here at Roofer Near Me and J&J Services. James Hales, one of our salesmen, worked hard to get this job. We brought them donuts, we talked to them, called them every day, and so they understand the sales perspective of things because they sell cars. And so one of the managers here, his name's Greg Halliday, he was like, you follow up, and that's in our industry, that's huge. We do a lot of follow up, and we train our salesmen to follow up. All the courses, Dimitri at Roofer Insights, teaches you to follow up. Becca Switzer teaches you to follow up. All the good salesmen, follow up is important because sales are made through follow up. So we really built a relationship here with Chuck Stevens and Greg Halliday and the dealership. We were following up with them every day. We earn this business. We're doing a great job here. We're proud to have it. And this builds relationships in the community. So we're doing good work. David is our subcontractor on this job, and his father, and they do a lot of great work for us. They do some of our commercial work, a lot of our commercial work, and they do our oddball stuff. This is, and his father, one of our good subs. These commercial jobs are a little different. We got the metal from Dixie Supply. This is an R panel, our PBR panel actually. And so the difference between a regular roof and a commercial roof is these laps have what's called butyl tape in them. Your purlins are a little further apart, and this one's a pretty big one. It's like 280 squares or something like that. It's a pretty big job, and Chuck Stevens has been around forever, and we're proud to be partnered with them, doing work for them and work for the Bay Minette community and work in Baldwin County. I've been here all my life almost, and I'm proud to be a business owner here in Baldwin County. And this is a staged area for our material. These are the panels. This is the ridge. There's our insulation. We've got new thermal barrier insulation going on these commercial jobs. We like it. It doesn't tear up like the traditional insulation. Has the same R value supposedly, so we've used it on metal buildings. We've noticed the difference when we take the old off, put the new on. Huge difference in insulation value, that is cold or hot. And so these bay doors stay open most of the time, so it's a reflective value. And also we're going with galvalume panels on here, so it has a high reflective value. And then the solar barrier insulation on top of it, they're gonna get the maximum value of reflective radiant barrier that they can get. So the guys in the office will be thankful, or in the bays doing the car detailing, the mechanic work, all of that goes on back here. There's like, I don't know, 12 bay doors or 14 bay doors. And so they're gonna appreciate the new galvalume metal from Dixie Supply in Foley. Thanks Erica up there, she's doing a great job. The dumpster guy, always thankful for the dumpster guy, fixing to call them. They'll be here today to dump that dumpster. I wanted to get a shot of all these new and used vehicles behind us to let you know where we're at and what we're doing in the community. And we are super proud to be providing quality work for our community here at J&J Services and Roofer Near Me. Y'all come up here to the Dodge dealership, get you a Dodge, get you a new or used vehicle, and check out the work that J&J Services is doing. If you need a roof, if you need an inspection for a roof, we got specials going on. We got $100 gutter and roof cleaning. We've got 50% off gutter repair. Until June. We've also got 15% off of new roof installation until June. Y'all check us out, 550-ROOF, 550-9799, or check us out on the web at jandjservices.co. Y'all have a blessed day.